What up, Theta homies? It's your boy, Justin Vassetti, back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, I put all the links down below in the description, so definitely check out all these links that I post in these videos, and also don't forget to please hit that like and subscribe button. Just definitely stay caught up with the most relevant Theta news, updates, NFTs, and any partnerships revolving around the Theta network altogether. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on my Twitter page. So today's video is going to be a little bit more different in terms of what I usually make, especially when around Theta network, just because this presentation is going to be more of a slideshow to help you guys earn a lot more income definitely in the near future. Definitely not financial advice though, like it is in the beginning of this video, so definitely do your own research, but I'm here to try to make everything make more sense to you guys and a lot more clear. So going on to this quick aspect of a little slideshow, we're going to see the great merge. What is the great merge? It's going to be multipliers for TBill. If you're not too familiar with what TBill is, it's going to be a little more details near the end of the video, so definitely stay tuned. But first, I'm going to explain what these multipliers are going to be, or what the great merge is. So the great merge began April 4th, is when G World starts new NFT series, I should say. So starting off, going on to the next slide, we're going to have 5 individuals who are early adopters on the TBill. They will be having their own NFT stickers dropped on Open Theta starting on April 4th, and it'll go from Monday to Friday. So starting April 4th to that Friday, and then next week is going to be another early supporter, so on and so forth for the next 2 weeks. So as you can tell, we do have Big Dog 11, Alien Like, Michelle White Dove, excuse me, TeddyB commentary, and also Crazy for Crypto. I'm definitely aware of everybody here, as I'm more familiar with Alien Like, Michelle White Dove, TeddyB commentary, and also Crazy for Crypto. So definitely check out their YouTube channels, and I also do believe that Big Dog 11 may be another YouTuber also, so definitely check him out also. I also wanted to try to give out as many shoutouts because these individuals will be giving out also multipliers for us consumers who are buying their NFTs on Open Theta, so definitely check out the links down below. So starting off, there's going to be a unique way, because not only do you have a chance of being a lottery pick in terms of buying these NFTs, but you can combine them to make these stickers into future multipliers. So not only that, but you're going to be able to earn more money on these multipliers, but having these smaller ones, you can combine them to make smaller multipliers. So either way, you're going to get some sort of multiplier and earn your income back from the Theta fuel that you are buying with it. That's what I really do love Theta, always giving back to the community. And also, not to forget to mention, but they will also be donating their proceeds to, I believe, 60% of the proceeds to the charity of their choosing. Not too sure if it's going to be 5 individual charities or if it's going to be one whole collective one, and then it's going to be 60% of the revenue that they make from this type of NFT drop. So definitely check that all out. We're going to go into a little more depth starting on this next slide. So as you can tell, it says 60% to charity of their choosing, so it looks like it's going to be 60% each week to a different charity. So going on to the next slide, we're going to see the Chainlink airdrop. This is what I was mentioning about earlier, about the 8 airdrops that are going to be randomly selected for these individuals. It says Chainlink airdrop select. You're not too familiar with that protocol, but it's going to be 8 individuals who buy these NFTs for that 1 week. So 8 lucky individuals will get a multiplier, and then from there you can also combine your NFT stickers, the ones that were lower price, into other multipliers like I mentioned earlier in this video. So going on to the next part, this is what I was mentioning, how you can have your own NFT stickers if you are not a winner of that lottery pick. So as you can tell in this little diagram, I'm not too sure if it's going to be 5 of the stickers equals 1 multiplier. And when I was listening to the video, I believe his name was Teddy. He's the one commentating on this type of video. Really huge shout out to them. Oh, actually it was G World. The G World was the one that made this YouTube video, so definitely check them out too, with all the links down below in the description. So as you can tell here, these NFT stickers that you buy in Open Theta, you can combine them for an actual multiplier. So like I said, I feel like I'm just like a broken record. So going on to the next slide, we're going to have, you can merge these stickers together. So as you can tell, each week there's going to be 5, well, a total of 5 different type of multipliers. So as you can tell, there's going to be the first week, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. And you can combine all of those onto one sticker right here as one multiplier. It's going to be really unique because you can combine, actually, for example, if you have week 1, week 3, you can combine those, and then we'll combine week 2 and 4, I believe. You can combine those, and then it's going to be 2 different unique ones, and then you can sell those onto the Open Theta, I'm hoping so, for other creators who missed that 1 week. So as you can tell, you can mix and match and select these type of NFTs so that you can sell it to other creators or other buyers who weren't able to buy them at the opening of the drop, just so it's going to be more like for those who are late to the party, you're going to be earning those type of income because they weren't able or available at that time. So definitely try to cop them as much as possible. Definitely not financial advice, but definitely really unique in terms of what you can do in these multipliers. But we're definitely not done yet. Going on to the next part, we're going to see these merge these stickers, so you can even merge these bigger multipliers onto another one, so making not only the stickers, which are the smaller ones, but these actual multipliers that you win from the lottery, you can combine those together to get an even bigger multiplier. So as you can tell here, you get these two images from week 1 and 2, for example, and then you have weeks 3, 4, and 5, for example, all onto one NFT. This is definitely gonna be unique because you do have all 5 of them onto one NFT. So definitely gonna be rare. And then in terms of selling, who knows what the price will be. It'll definitely be depending on the seller's type of price. But honestly, I wouldn't sell a multiplier because it's just gonna earn you more income, passive income, by adding to the liquidity pools. I'll get more on that later. Going on to the NFT sticker drop timeline, we do have, oh, it's really nice that we have this here. April 4th to April 8th. April 11th to April 15th, April 18th to 22, April 25th to 29, this is May already, May 2nd to May 6th. So as you can tell, these are the creators when they'll be dropping their NFT stickers. So definitely check out Open Theta down below, along with my Instagram and Twitter page. Going on to the next part, we're going to see the merge massive multipliers, what I was mentioning. So as you can tell, if you're a lucky lottery winner for here, you can add those together and combine them too like that. Going on to, this is just a little diagram of all the combinations that are possible in terms of the stickers along with the multipliers, I believe so, because it's a little smaller image. But if you do want to dive deeper into this image, go for it. Take a little quick pause and take a look at it. Going on to the other one, you do have the merge massive multipliers. As you can tell right here, all 5 of the creators if you're a lucky winner. Going on to, these are the merge massive multipliers possibility. So for example, if you can do all single individuals, but like I was saying before, you could add them and combine them, and then you can combine them to the other ones to make those multipliers. But the thing is, if you do not have all 5, you cannot add them to make this all 5 multiplier. You do have to have each individual one. You can't just have 2 of one and then that doesn't make up for the other one. As you can tell right here, it has to be each individual NFT drop from each creator. Going on to the next part, this is going to be, these are important because not only does TBill help with the liquidity pools, but it's going to be the main currency for G-World. It's going to be like a metaverse type of location. As you can tell right here, this is from TeddyB's, from his YouTube channel. You have a little diagram of what this looks like. So here's like a little preview, you can say. And then I believe that is all for this, but definitely stay tuned for this next part because we're going to dive into a little more definitions to help those who are still not too familiar what TBill really is. So starting off into a little quick Google search to help you guys with definitions. What are liquidity pools? So we're going to look at these 2 definitions. So it says, what are liquidity pools in crypto? A liquidity pool refers to a pool of tokens that are locked in a smart contract, which is a self-executing program based on the agreements between the buyer and seller. The pool enables cryptocurrency trading by providing users with liquidity. Liquidity refers to the ease with which a token can be swapped with another, basically helping out the crypto, simple like a swap, for example. How do liquidity pools make money? Liquidity pools commonly make money in 2 ways. Liquidity providers earn fees from transactions on DeFi platforms they provide liquidity on. The transaction fees are distributed proportionally to all liquidity providers in the pool, so the more crypto assets you stake, and the more fees you'll earn. So basically, you can really necessarily say we are the bank because we're providing liquidity and we are earning interest for that type of liquidity we're providing. So that's what I really do like. It's one of the bigger concepts that I really learned honestly in the last day or so, really diving deep into it. So definitely do your own research also. Going on to TBill staking, we're definitely going to look on this little chart because it is a little intimidating at first, but after watching a couple of YouTube videos, definitely check out all those creators that I mentioned earlier in this video, all those 5 creators, because they do have a great amount of knowledge in terms of TBill and also Theta network overall. So I am a part of the TBill staking liquidity pool. As you can tell on the right, these are the pool stats for the entire pool altogether. My stats on the left are how much I'm actually contributing also. So as you can tell, we're going to look at the APY's annual percentage yearly, I believe, APY. But that is how much I am earning currently. APY, let's do a quick Google for APY versus APR. So APY is the refers to the amount of interest earned on your savings. So that's, oh yeah, so what I mentioned earlier is what we're earning because we are participating in giving out the liquidity. So as you can tell, this is how much I value is locked. So I have 74.71 TBill and then 390 T-fuel added to this liquidity pool. And with the T-bill, I guess I'll dive into a little bit more T-bill. We'll just stick to these numbers for right now because it'll make sense in a little bit. So going down over here, we're going to see these type of how much I'm earning. So basically my quick reward is going to be 0.001 T-bill because that's very low amount that I'm providing onto this liquidity pool. Just a quick example. As you can tell, the numbers are similar to the ones that are up here. So those numbers are where these come from. So as you can tell, it's 1x, 1.5, 2x. These are going to be multipliers that you can achieve with those NFTs like I mentioned earlier in this video. So those multipliers really do pay a lot in terms of if you have a lot of liquidity into these pools and you've invested your own, like I said, assets in here. So then you'll be earning more of these T-bills that I've mentioned over here. So rather than 0.001, you'll be earning a lot more. These numbers are calculated over here. So as you can tell, T-bills going to be multiplied with what the current price is. They try to keep the T-bill price because it's going to be not always going to be a stationary or a stable coin. They try to keep it between $1 and then 5% of that, and between 95 cents and 105 is what they're mainly aiming towards. So that's what they're really, it's not necessarily a stable coin, but they try to fluctuate it, but you will always earn, you will always have the same percentage that you're currently contributing to this type of liquidity pool. So you'll never necessarily lose the same percentage, but you may see your numbers fluctuate, go up and down, but you will never lose this percentage that you're providing for this type of pool. That's the one thing that you'll notice the numbers jump up and down, because that's the whole adjustment of T-bill to fight really against inflation. So as you can tell here, this is going to be the multiplier. This is the total volume that's being traded, and then this is the multiplier. So as you can tell, I have about it's going to be 390 times the price of T-fuel, and it's going to be $1 times the price of how many I have. So as you can tell, this is the total amount that I've contributed, and then this is going to be the reward that I've earned. So a little quick, that's a very quick analysis in terms of how I'm earning my T-bill, but for the most part, if you want a quick synopsis and analysis, that is how you do it. Going on to the T-bill numbers here, this is what I was mentioning, so definitely check out TeddyB, also does a great explanation of it. What I just mentioned is basically what he shows here at this YouTube video, but if you want to go into a little bit more detail, I'm always big on sharing other YouTubers, especially Theta community members, so definitely check out everybody also. Going on to a quick article that I did earlier, it's a little more definition in terms of what T-bill is. So going on to this link, like I said, also definitely check out all the links below and definitely check out my social media pages. So going on the Theta Cash T-bill Metaverse Rebasing Liquidity Token. A new TNT20 token is born, providing utility for not only the Theta community and its ecosystem, but the entire cryptoverse and coming metaverse. Theta Cash T-bill is an example of purely algorithmic approach to reducing the volatility of cryptocurrencies. It is a synthetic commodity based on algorithmically enforced elastic supply. T-bill does not claim to be a stablecoin, but rather a low volatility coin that is designed to diversify risk. So like I said, it's not necessarily a stablecoin, but it's definitely going to provide a lot more type of security for inflation, so it doesn't always go up or down in price. So let's see what that's really going to be, that quick introduction with T-bills. Like I said, check out the link down below in terms of if you want to know what T-bill is and how these multipliers are definitely going to help in terms of staking and providing liquidity pools. And that's how I honestly see how most people are going to earn more passive income, just because a lot of people nowadays, when they think of passive income, they're going to think about buying houses, renting. It's going to be very difficult for a lot of younger individuals like myself, because we don't have that type of income currently. At least I don't. At least I'm still trying to work towards that, is what I would like to have. But as of right now, I believe this crypto type of staking and liquidity pools are going to provide a lot of passive income for the younger individuals and people into cryptocurrency. Going on to G-World, just because that's going to be the main focus on what T-bill is, not only for these liquidity pools, but also being the main focus in cryptocurrency for G-World. So it's a little quick introduction, reading their quick bio at the very top. G-World is a suite of metaverse and crypto elements. Theta Cash T-bill is the rebasing liquidity token to the whole world. G-Twin is the NFT wearables. GTX, a MetaMask fork published today, built for Theta. So as you can tell, just a little quick introduction of the whole overall process of how these multipliers could make you millions in the near future, and also a little quick definition of what TBill actually is. There are a lot of other points that I may not have hit, all the smaller details, but I do believe I hit the major topics, especially for this video for you guys all together. But I really hope this video helped you guys learn a little something, and if you guys did, and if you are new to the channel or returning but haven't subscribed yet, please hit that like and subscribe button, as I do make Theta token videos, updates, NFTs, partnerships, or anything really revolving around Theta constantly or daily. I would like to say Monday to Friday 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm in Chicago, Central Standard Time, but really looking forward to enjoying and collaborating with more of you guys, subscribing to the channel, and trying to provide you guys with much updates as possible. So definitely check it out, subscribe to the channel, and really looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one. But until then, you guys know how it is. It's your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.